Are you looking for the best cordless stick vacuum cleaner for home? We've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. And I grabbed a pile of some junk right here so we could test this thing out to see how well it picks up. So let's grab that Mike Vance knife right there and open this bad boy on up. And let's see what we got on the inside here. All right. If you guys find this video helpful too, definitely appreciate you guys hooking up that helpful for me right there. So it has some, on the box here, just some simple, looks like the instructions for cleaning the main unit of the vacuum and cleaning the floor brush right there. You do have a little instruction manual right here as well. And then these are all the nougats and bits right here on top. You have a crevice tool. This looks like your wand right here to be able to get to, get it longer, which is awesome. Got a little button right here you can press so you can adjust it based on these settings right here. Just clicks into place just as you would want it to. So if you have a kid using it one time, then an adult using it one time, you'll be able to have that wand to be able to extend out. That's actually really cool. You got this. Oh, that's going to be the other side. Hold on. We got some nougats and bits right here. Got a little cleaning brush. And we got our charger right there. What's this? You got a little... Is that on the other side? Oh, yeah. Okay, that's on the other side. All right. I see. So this right here is going to be your floor brush to be able to... Hopefully, we're going to vacuum up all this junk right here. And you have your main body unit right there. Looks very nice. Got a good handle on here. Nice and beefy. It's weighted well too with the battery right underneath right here. This is going to be your port to be able to plug in that cord to be able to get it nice and charged up. And then right here is going to be your lid to be able to dump out all the dirt that it collects. Got a nice good gasket on there as well so that it stays nice and sealed up. Got a good click right there from the latch to let you know that it is closed up nice and tight. This thing looks nice. I like this. I don't know if they make this in different colors, but if there's a specific color that you're looking for, definitely go and check out the product listing below, and you guys can go and see all the different options that they have. If you're looking for it to, match everything in your house. You got this little brush right here. If you do need to utilize that, you can slide this up and down to where it has the bristles or it does not have the bristles. This looks like a filter right here, if I'm assuming that correctly. And then you got this little guy right here, which looks like a little stand to be able to maybe put the attachments onto. That's what that looks like to me. Oh, it's got some holes right here and here. So you might, I bet this attaches to the wall. And then you can just simply put your things on into there. Super cool. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and grab this. Let me dust off the bottom here so we have something to wipe on up. Let me get rid of that. All right, let's check this thing on out. I want to know how this thing operates. So I figured, let's see if this can just, you need to go short style right here. Just simply pop that right on in. Has a good click. Got your button right there to be able to release. Wheels right there. Spin nicely. Looks like you got a little, some LED lights on the front right there. So if you do need to be able to see a bit better, you can do that. Let me go ahead and press the button. Power. Hey, look at that. Okay, that worked well. Brushes spin nicely. Curious to know how it's going to pick up things. But I do want to point out that on the battery pack over here, it does have this indicator right here to let you know how much battery you got in there. See how that comes on? That works well. Then you also have a little hurricane button right there is what I'm going to call it. Looks like a fan type of thing. I'm assuming that's going to stop the brushes. Let's test that out. Oh, it's just your speed. So it's kind of like a high speed. This is a low speed. Okay, let's test this out. Y'all ready? Let's see what we got. All that mess right there. Boys are making a mess. We got to clean this mess up. I kind of grabbed just a whole bunch of stuff from the outside. Brought it in. Because you never know what kids are going to track in. Look at that. Look at that. That cleaned it up perfectly. That is awesome. Love that. And then now you can see it all in the little container down here as well. It's kind of like proof that it got it all into there. That is, man, that worked extremely well. It's got great suction to it. All right, let's take a look at some of these other nougats and bits. So let's put this on. We got a little, look, we got a little leaf right here. Let's suck that up. Let's see how close I have to get to it to make it suck. Ready? Oh, there it goes. Man, that was like an inch away. So it has some suction power to be able to really get things even that may not be like right over it. That's super cool. And then of course you have the brush right there that you can turn on that as well if you want to do that. Of course you got your crevice tool right here. Pop that bad boy on. Turn it on. Great for the car. If you need a vacuum to clean up, you know, in between the seats of the car, get down into those nitty-gritty spots, you can do that. Another thing that I like about this vacuum too is that it has buttons and not a switch that you have to hold down the entire time. They make some vacuums out there where like the switch is built into the handle or the trigger is built into the handle. And you got to sit there and press that the whole time, and you're adding just that little bit of extra force to it. But with a button, it just makes it so much easier because now you can remove your hand from it. If you need to guide it into weird positions, you can do that with ease. So I love that. Let's see. Let's test out this little wand guy right here. I'm tall. I'm 5'11", so let's give it the full extendable. Let's put this right down on into here. Put this right down on into here. Let's see what we got here. You know what? This floor is looking a little messy. Let's go ahead and clean this up. Yep, working well. Ha-ha! I think I might have a new office vacuum here. This is awesome. Perfect length for me too. So the brush is on the floor right now. And just with my arm kind of hanging comfortably right here, I'm able to hold the vacuum head right here, and I can easily push to get really far underneath. So that's nice as well. But then of course, if I needed to shorten it up, I can do that. And if you're doing, you know, maybe like a bigger sofa type of area and you don't want to have the long stick all the way out, you can simply shorten this on up and get some of those smaller areas. So this thing looks awesome. If y'all are looking for an excellent corded vacuum for your home, definitely go and grab y'all one of these right here. Like I said, I believe that they make this in a few different colors as well. So if there's a particular color that you're looking for, definitely go and check out the product listing below and you can go and see all the different options that they have. But I'm impressed by how it picked up all that junk that I brought in from the outside, because they had like some big stuff in there as well. Big stuff and little stuff, and did a great job of grabbing it all. So yeah, y'all definitely go and grab y'all one of these if this is something that you want. All right, let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys looking that up for me. Y'all go and add this to your cart if this is something that you're looking for. And thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I could show this off to y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.